Welcome. Hello. This is Armand Blankenship with Information Technology Services here at Alabama A&M University. And today I'll be showing you how to log into the new Wall Street Journal app. It's something that our faculty and staff have access to. It's the fourth app on the first row here. So we will go ahead and click in. Once you do, it'll take you to another screen. You'll have a slight bit of information to put in at the sign in to create the account, but you use the same information you would for your single sign-on. So, of course, here looking at the account type, we'll have staff there. Of course, our volunteer staff, Sade has her name first and last there. And the email for your single sign-on email will auto-populate automatically. And make sure you put your password in, the same password that you use for your single sign-on. Go ahead and check the I agree to the privacy policy. The blue button is the next button. That's create the account. We'll move to your next screen, which is the area where you can customize your experience. Okay, we had some success here, and it's moving along to the Wall Street Journal so we can set the digital dashboard up the way you want it. So let's take a look at what that looks like. You have the ability to kind of select the content you want by subject matter. Here, if you have a mobile device and you'd like to download the app, you can do that by putting your phone number here and texting a link to your smartphone device. And we'll go ahead and click the blue button, skip and continue through that. You can set that up later. Of course, you have different newsletters and subject area alerts. You can choose and customize that. We have a few there. You can view all the newsletters that you can view and activate, or you can skip and continue this process. For this video, we'll go ahead and move through some of that. Also, we have puzzles. We'll skip through this portion. We'll click the blue button down here with skip and continue, or you have the option of viewing all those puzzles as well, but we'll go ahead and skip and continue for the purposes of this video. We'll move through and skip and continue. There is a market watch list that you can do if you're a trader, and we have a lot of video content available here as well. And we'll skip and continue through this. This is where you would go and select the kind of video content you would want. You do have the ability to have podcasts. We'll skip through that at this moment. You can go and select the type of podcast you would like. You do have member benefits and some offers that you could view here, but for the purposes of this video today, we'll skip and go to the dashboard so you can see. If you're heavily on the social media, you do have the ability to send it to Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, so you can link those. We have Facebook, and in the middle here you have Twitter. We'll skip and go to the dashboard today. Now, you have particular areas of interest you'd like to highlight. I like arts and culture, I love politics, and I like a little bit of technology. And you can save those, and anything you get in the future will have that subject matter attached to it. So I'll click the blue button here today, say save, and then we'll go ahead and allow that to process. And you can personalize by telling the Wall Street Journal app, hey, you know, what is your job title? What's your function? What industry are you in? So we can just go down here and do light subject matter there. I'll just go ahead and submit that information, and then I'll continue to the Wall Street Journal so we can go ahead and see how the dashboard looks. Okay, so this is kind of a customized dashboard here. You have topics along the top, and you also have the ability to see this in a different language, and that's a wonderful feature. And you can see the actual print edition. So this is pretty exciting. You have world news and financial markets and political information, and of course the market, all at your fingertips. I'll see you in the next video as we drop more content from Bulldog Tech Bytes.